Okay, we have Romia. No good na po ni Suarez. And there's a call.
Kauban mo ya, kauban mo
Jersey
ya.
number 17, Mr. Dayday, personal foul.
Okay.
First team foul. One point. Okay, we have here number 3 to Mr. Dayday and Romeo na steal ni Suarez to Pipito. Pipito. So, Mr. Pat Suarez to Mr. Number 1, Mr. Number 48. 9.
Nagak.
Nagak. Okay, no good. Still by Dayday. Attempt. We have here Mr. Suarez to Mr. Maynard Suarez. 2 points. Our score is 5-0 in favor of NHA. We have Alpecha again. Yung kalisod na po ni Mr. Romeo. No good. Rebounded by Mr. Patrick. Patrick pass to Pipito. Pipito is delivering the ball to Mr. Naga. Naga na itabasan yata kang Maynard. Di pastor for 3 points. Maynard Suarez. Okay, we have Ronyo. Ronyo pass 15 seconds to shoot. Alpecha to Mr. Romeo. No good. Nakuha ni Patrick. And last ball bola sa team Karinugan. Okay, we have Sibinya Karomia to Dayday. Attempt for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Kuan. 2 points by Patrick.
11. 11 niya.
9 pa.
Ay, 9 pa? 9 naman good na. Nakashot man Patrick.
Sign. Ah.
12 at kuya. Pastos kayo sila yan o. Bago bagay na erase.
Time estimated 54 seconds, ladies and
Ano
gentlemen.
Daisy, lagi po yun. Di ba, sir?
Okay, bola sa team Karinugan. Rumia to Mr. Dayday na itagapasangan. Pumasok, attempt for jump shot. Wala na po ni Nagak. Yatag kang Pipito. Ay, nabuhay.
Sorry, guys.
Ni Mr. Pipito. Bola sa team Karinugan. Okay, we have Rumia. Sinis nako ni Pitos, pass to Maynard. Maynard ang mamadat pass to Pipito. Attempt! It's a 2 points by Pipito. Okay, we have Ronyo na ilugan ni Mr. Nagak to Mr. Pipito. Pipito to Mr. Maynard. 2 points by Maynard Suarez. Our score is 16-0. 3 minutes remaining time. Okay, we have Sibilia to Mr. Ronyo. Time for 3. Hindi man siya nakuha ni Mr. Patrick pass to Nagak. Nagak, libing the ball, nagmamadali siya and naligas pa dun. Nagak pa rin and it's a 15 second to shoot. Jump shot by Patrick and it's a 2 points by Patrick. Our score is 18-0. Grabe naman po ito eh. We have here Rumia Gatag ang Sibilia. 2 points by Sibilia.
Lagi pa
Score
score na
na
no.
sila. 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Okay, we have Kikito to Patrick. Back to Kikito to Patrick. Na-steal by Daydan. Ironio. Nakuha ni Alpet. Nakuha ni Maynard. Maynard to Mr. Naga.
Ayo ka, ay katarataya!
15 seconds to shoot.
Yes!
Points by Naga. 1 minute and 50 seconds. 20.
Ay! Ay!
Time out ang team NHA. Second and third, isa na atong time out, no? For the fourth is duha atong time out. So no time out, wala na time out ng NHA. So Romia. Nakuha ni Naga, pass to Maynard, 20 ang score and 2 points by Vitos.
Jik-jik wa ni sulod.
22.
Nalimot. Dugay daw kang
Okay, we
tubig.
have Ronyo to Mr. Rumia, back to Ronyo. Dihatag ang Alpeche. 2 points by Alpeche.
Check.
4:22. 1 minute.
Okay!
We have Rumia. Rumia nagmamadaling ihatag kang Dayday. To Ronyo. To Rumia. To Ronyo. To Dayday. 2 points by Dayday. 48 seconds.
Yes!
10 points. Mr. Naga.
So yan.
24.
Di ba sa malimot ng road kay gasulat sa siya speaker?
Oras. 30 seconds.
Wala.
Okay. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 17 seconds. Ang nabilin na oras ang atong score is 24-6. 24-6. 10.
Okay.
5.
Sige.
Okay.
Sige!
Time is over for the first quarter of this game with a score of 24-6. Okay, si Mr.
Kaya, kaya, kaya!
Rebounded by Alpeche. To Romia. Romia giving the ball, pass to Alpeche. Alpeche to Mr. Ronyo. Ronyo ba ng Arsigo? 26. Goal lagi na. 8-24. Si Mr. Suarez to Patrick. To Naga Katel. No good. Rebound.
Ay!
Ilog silang tuloy.
Kuya, wag ginabanan!
And,
Ay! Kada! Ay, ala, ala, ala.
15 seconds to shoot.
Oh, di ako support ka.
2 points by Patrick. 26-8. Okay, we have here Mr. Alpeche to 2 points by Pacheco. Okay, giving the ball Mr. Patrick to Maynard, back to Patrick. 10-26 ang score, Nagat ng itagbasahan. 15 seconds to shoot. To Maynard, Maynard to Morma, and attempt for jump shot. Wala. Maynard again. Hatag kang Esquilio, sa niya itagbasahan. To Mr. Suarez, 15 seconds to shoot. It's 3 points by Maynard Suarez. 29-10. We have Alpet Pacheco, buka ni Nagak. Pasa niya kami na nagmamadali. At number 2 points by Maynard Suarez. 31-10 po. Lamang po ang NHA. Romia, living the ball, ihatag kang Pacheco to Romia, to Mr. Go. So, ligtas na dyan ang bulaan na. Tiktak na. Four minutes, 38 seconds. Si Mr. Maynard attack. Very good. Nakuha ni Mr. Go to Mr. Romia. Pass to Go attack. 2 points by Go. 12-31. Okay, Nagak. Nagak attack. Gituyok siya. Gisulod. Wala na chip. Nakuha ni Mr. Napirap na siya or si Go. Gapon na siya. Go na.
Go na daw, go na.
Go to and there's the call. Who's fouled up?
Maynard.
Jersey number?
Ay, diday. 4 day. Si
Jersey
Chapoy.
number 8, Mr.
Raymond Tizo.
Rementezo. Committed personal foul. First team foul for the second quarter. Violation lang po, sir. 2 points.
Nah, dili magpasaboy.
1 point lang po ba?
Lingkod lang sa daw boy, sila pasab.
Sa... Okay, Estilio. Toro Mentezo attack.
Nice one!
Mentezo.
Dili ka daw.
33.
Nanay po.
13. Okay, go to...
Nice one.
Same ball position. Sorry, press na po. Substitution. Time is 3 minutes, 7 seconds.
Okay.
Ay, hawiran na ni Maynard. So, atong bola is from Curry Nugan. Basik-basa ha? Basa siya dong? Okay, so laban.
Wala ulan-ulan.
33-13, we have here Rumia gikan kang go. Gikan kang go, maguya-guya pa sa tanan. Go, pumasok and to Mr. Pacheco. Wala na paninaga. Naga, relax lang sa daw. Gihatag kang Maynard. Maynard dribbling the ball pass to Mr. Pipito to Esquilio attempt for jump shot. Wala na kuha ni Mr. Go. Gihatag kang Rumia. Rumia, dribbling the ball na mamadali siya. Gihatag kang go. Wala na chip. Naga ni Mr. Pipito. Pipito to Mr. Maynard.
Ay, lapit yung
By Maynard Suarez.
Saba na po doon sa papa.
35-13. Maynard. Grabe si Maynard, energized tayo. Rumia, napa ni Rumia. Rumia, nagpamadali si Rumia. Wala naga. Still by
Relax, kay Labaw!
time 2 minutes 5 seconds. Maynard is still dribbling the ball and 35-13. Still by
Balot.
Rumia. Rumia attempt. 2 points by Rumia.
Balos.
15-35.
Relax mo kay Labaw.
Maynard. Time out ang Team Carinoba. Semifinals for the Panatigi Basketball League. Well, ato rin magalan niya after this. Okay, and it's a block, but
Volleyball,
it's a check
nag-block
ball.
ka, no?
Last touch pala. Ito ni volleyball. Same ball position pa tayo. From Carinoban.
by.
Kay grabe, rasat kayo ka.
And it's a 2
Luwag
points.
ka to.
Siko. So, Carinoban. 17-38. Suarez to Mr. Nagak and it's a 15-second to shoot. Pass to Esquilio atin for 3. It's a 3 points by Esquilio. Grabe din sila mga player, no? Kalas o test. 1 minute remaining time.
Hindi na ako mabalos.
41-17. 40 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Naga. 35 seconds. 43, 17.
Pasa kay
30
Kapitan.
seconds. Wala.
Anak!
25 seconds. 20 seconds na lang po. 15. 10. Five. Time is over for the
43,
second
17.
quarter of this game. Okay. Run nyo to Mr. Dayday.
Pasa kay Kapitan niya.
We have here Mr. Ronyo Nugget.
Agoy!
Tomina. Okay, 15 seconds to shoot. To Pitos. 2 points by Pitos. Okay, we have Ronyo. Nakikipagpasahan gatag kang Alpeche to Mr. Sevilla. Nabuyan pa Jude ni Sevilla. Gatag balik ang Alpeche. 15 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Mendeza to Mr. Pitos to Maynard. Maynard giving the ball. Nakikipagpasahan Gitras niya. It's 3 points na naman by Maynard Suarez. Grabe kakalas o 3. 51. It's a 3-point. Jersey number 5, Alpeche. $20, 51. 2 points by Naga. 53, 20.
Ipinsa!
Okay, naglaga sila. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Okay, Maynard, wala niyang kontra. And pumasok. Wala ng chip ng pa ni Pacheco. Pacheco to the ball. Nakita ka pasan yata niya kasi Sevilla ni Purma pero fake na di ay dali-dali niya nan. Just pedut siya. Alpeche. Attack. Wala rin Naga taking the ball. Dito siyang kauban. 4 minutes 45 seconds. Wala. And there's a foul. Jersey number 8, Mr. Dementezo, committed. Second person ng foul. First team foul. Okay, we have here Mr. Pacheco. Naligis mo siyang kamot. Nakuha ni Mr. Kuan. Second team.
Lagrada. Lagrada.
Lagrada. 15 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Pitos and
Eh, doon na.
55-20. 2 points. Nagat na naman. 57. Okay, we have here Maynard. Maynard giving the ball. Ito ba?
Ura!
15 seconds to shoot.
Good!
Okay, we have here Romia, pumasok pa binubuy ang steam. Pajut ni Suarez.
Ayan, kasober ah. Ay! Bantay!
Maynard pass to Pitos. To Naga. Naga klumusot
Patay
siya.
na pilit.
Attempt. 2 points. Aling Naga. 59-20. Dayday. Agoy, Ballman.
59-20.
Okay, 2 points by Sevilla. 22, 59. Maynard getting the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. And no good. Nakuha ni Mr. Romia.
Ala.
And no good. Nakuha ni Ronyo.
Samo kay Gaboy.
Ronyo attempt. It's a 3 points by Ronyo. Our score is 25-59. Oras, 2 minutes and 10 seconds for the third quarter of this game. We have here Maynard to Mr.
Lagrada.
Lagrada pala yun. We have Pitos, 15 seconds to shoot. To Mr. Naga, attempt.
Bay, kami.
Wala ka gisiko!
Okay, bola sa team. Karimuga.
Gitulod man daw.
Okay, we have Ronyo. Pass to Romia. Romia, attempt. And bola, ihapon sa Karinugan. Same ball position. 25-59 score ha.
Para sa Pilyan.
Barangay
No
gali.
good na pa ni Rementezo.
Lolo.
Still by Lagrada. To Mr. Maynard. Challenged by Guy.
Ala, pakulting hands
1 minute and 20 seconds, 15 seconds to shoot.
Kapoy.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Kapoy
10
na
seconds to shoot.
Oy!
And...
Oy!
Oy!
Checo.
Oy!
Kana! Char lang, balulang.
Wala. Nakuha ni Romia.
Ah!
Koy, tala!
Ah!
Kita mo!
Sevilla.
Para way ni balik!
Attempt.
Bang.
Wala.
Nice!
Nakuha ni Sevilla. Another Ronyo. Attempt. Wala.
Nice! Wala siya!
Yeah!
Stepping!
Ah!
15 seconds to shoot.
Ah!
Oy! U-turn! U-turn!
10 seconds.
Oh! Nice! Wala ka na! Idol!
39 seconds.
Grabe ka, Idol! 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 Mga taray!
30 seconds. Nangilaray kay Maynard. 25 seconds. No good.
Oh,
Grabe.
grabe! Atangers!
20 seconds.
Char
15
lang.
seconds. 10. 5. Time is over for the third quarter of this game. Our score is 63-25. Ganeja. Abangan bukas. Bukas na din. Okay, we have Maynard. Challenge by Gog. Ihatag from Naga. Si Mr. Nagraga back to Suarez. 15 seconds to shoot. Naga katet.
Goy!
Grabe to si Mr. Naga. Umuulan ng 3 points dito sa NHA. 66-25 po. Nakuha nila Gada to Mr. Suarez na bamadali pastas sa ayaw mo ng zone. Zone 1. We have Romia. Romia pass to Ronyo. Ronyo to Mr. Go. And kinsa na sila. Go, go. 2 points by Mr. Ronyo. 27 po. 66. Is it dribbling the ball, Mr. Maynard? Grabe si Maynard. Driving kayo. Si Mr. Lagrada to Rementezo. Wala. Rebounded by Mr. Naga. Naga nagtuyok-tuyok ng pa ni Mr. Estelio. And it's a 15 second to shoot. Binigay kay Maynard. It's a one shot by Maynard. Grabe, scoring machine Maynard. 68-27. 2 points.
Karinugan to ya.
68 na.
29.
29.
Makasabang di kaya do.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Lagrada attack. Wala. Rebounded by Go. Dihatag ang Romia. Romia. Nagmamadali. Attempt for 2. Wala. Giluwa sa ring. Nakuha ni Esquilio. 68-29. 15 seconds to shoot. Nagrada to Mr. Mentezo. Back to... Wala ay. Nagbalik ang Maynard. 15 seconds to shoot. Attempt for 3. Grabe naman sa mga uy. Ulit mo buta uy. 71-29. Grabe ba'y gaulan dyan?
Ay, turo na pa!
Ano po to? Okay na yun.
Yes, no.
Maynard dribbling the ball. 4 minutes and 20 seconds ang oras na bilhin for the last quarter of this game. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Esquilio. Wala na nakuha ni Gold. Yatag. Still by Maynard. Okay, no good. To Mr.
Wala, nilaos.
Gold. Iisa dito na.
Bang.
Lost ball na. (71-29). Next game prepares CSPA versus GCB Aspo. We have Maynard in the ball, challenged by Go. Kanikamu to wait, Go. Remitezo and ball
Sub daw,
sa
sub.
kalimugan. Substitution left. 39.
Tino siya.
3 minutes, 19 seconds.
Ay! Ayaw na, tas bakit? Ano ba yung dulaw niya?
Butan kay Maynard.
Oh,
So Mr. Go. Mr. Go. Okay. Running for life. Look up. Ronyo. 3
21 kuya.
minutes. 31, 71. To Maynard, to Naga. Back to Maynard. Yata ka nagrada. To Mr. Rementezo. Lalig ka sa kamot. Rementezo. Symbol position. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock ha. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Attempt for 3. Pitful ba? Ano yung tao eh? Wala na po test. Go and to Romia. Romia ni plaster for jump shot. Wala. Na rebound ni Mr. Ronyo. Wala. Ni Igo ang ring nakuha. 10 seconds to shoot. Ronyo, 2 points. 33-71. Getting the ball, 2 minutes, remaining time. Nakuha ni Mr. Go to Mr. Romia. Romia nagmamadali, yatag kang go. Uy ka, uy. To Mr. Mentezo to Lagrada. Lagrada to Nagak, back to Lagrada. 2 points by Mr. Lagrada. Our score is 73-33. Goal ni Plaza for 3. It's at 8 points by Go.
36.
36. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 36-73. Okay, we have Suarez. 15 seconds to shoot.
Dapat basket ang
10 seconds to shoot. Attack. Yung panggulang. Go to Mr. Romia. Agoy na. Kumpiyansa. Same ball position. 36-71. 1 minute for the last quarter. 36-73.
Hala.
Naga. Agoy ka. Na-overwhelmed. To Romia. 45 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Mr. Go. 35 seconds. 38-73.
lang!
pa ganing isa.
25 seconds.
Wala na, uy. Time.
15 seconds to shoot.
Oy, oy.
Cementezo. 2 points, Cementezo. 75, 38. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5,